don't get me wrong. I love her.
Now the other dog's humping him. They're dancing. Look at this.
And I do think that he is way too controlling. And I think that
Really?
he
I
doesn't...
had not.
This is the greatest dance I've ever
Right.
seen.
I've not known.
He's like, alright, I can't take it
Yeah.
anymore.
Obviously. And
I noticed that.
he strikes me like there's something like this.
Calvin, he's a dude. Come on.
Don't be immature.
He's giving you a hug.
Blah, blah, blah.
So
It's like, you know
fucking
what?
stay here or whatever.
This is hilarious.
It's like when you go to a party, Bruce strikes me as somebody that he doesn't even take advantage of a good time when he's got a good time.
My mom's a good
That's
time.
my
Wait.
issue, right?
Record scratches.
Yeah.
This guy's double action
I
going
respect
on
him as
right
a
now.
person, but that's what he does. And it's like, you know,
I don't get it.
he acts like this when it's like,
Don't
it's not like she's not drinking every day. She's at a party. You go to a party to have fun. And now you have a problem with her having responsible fun. Right? You should have having responsible fun.
I mean, outside of the police being called out here because she was stripping naked, you know. Yeah,
Well,
so-
other
gross.
than that, yeah. I am sorry I called them. I am really sorry.
It's like dancing with the stars, only humping him. Good job, partner. Ugh. Calvin, you look like a horny werewolf.
Let's see what he says. No, but I think, you know, with my personality,
Someone who's that sexy.
it is so. It's embarrassing. It's really embarrassing.
Check Calvin out. He's like totally getting on that shit.
I know.
He's like, fuck yeah.
I know, he humps like crazy. My poor dog. Tiny little dog. Seriously? Poor
I
dog.
totally fucking get his groove on.
Outside, the little dog is trying to hump him.
He's all happy and shit.
If you
Oh yeah, that was a Kodak moment for sure.
There's a video of that. Nobody's ever gonna come to our parties again. Like, seriously, what are you doing to me? That's like. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I don't think there's any incriminating evidence here, so I'm totally Facebooking that shit.
Gosh. Look at him, he's humping and the dog's like 2 feet away from him. That's what I'm saying. Like, he just like, he can't stop.
That's a boy. That's a boy dog.
I know, they're called boys.
That's gonna make me
So fucking gay.
Oh my gosh. Calvin.
What's up, man?
Calvin, this is embarrassing for
Do you
you.
need some help there, buddy? Who the fuck is this?